Hello, welcome to Technique Force Learning. Today's video is about 4 tips to grow your channel with YouTube Shorts. Let's begin. YouTube keeps adding features for creating and discovering shorts. In addition to the US rollout of Shorts Beta, a tool for recording, editing, and posting brief videos, the platform has changed the layout of shorts, how they appear in the search results, and more. As a creator, you should know what these updates are to be better grow your channel. We've seen creators get more views with shorts, but the challenging part is keeping the momentum going. With recent updates, you may have to think differently about the way you create short videos. The latest short updates have revealed 4 undeniable truths. 1. Shorts are appearing in search results, so you should absolutely create them. 2. If you focus on making unique shorts that go viral, subscribers will find you. 3. Every short needs a pinned comment. 4. Musical shorts may contain trends or dance challenges, which means you should research topics and songs before you press record. So tip number 1. YouTube Shorts are becoming more discoverable. Don't hesitate to post them. Are you familiar with Short Shelf? This display area for short, vertical videos has been on the app's homepage for months. Now it's also appearing on the search pages. If you're posting shorts to YouTube, this is a new opportunity to get your content discovered. If you don't post any shorts, your channel probably won't appear on this shelf. But you can easily fix this by posting few shorts, searching for your channel, and seeing if the shelf appears. Upload shorts because you never know what YouTube is going to do with them. In this case, it's a new display area we've never seen before. Number 2. Accept that views, not subscribers, are the immediate benefit of creating shorts. If you've struggled to gain subscribers from shorts, that might intensify in the future. YouTube made some layout changes to the shorts player, and the subscribe button is less prominent than it used to be. In the old layout, the subscriber button was red and higher up on the player. Now the button is gray and very close to the bottom of the screen. It seems like YouTube wants to take the emphasis off of subscribers, at least for shorts. We're not sure why. What we do know is that views, not subscribers, have always been the biggest reward for posting shorts. Some creators get millions of subscribers, but that's usually because they're posting unique content that's hard to duplicate. For now, create the best shorts you could possibly make. Make them so entertaining that people deliberately search for the subscribe button, even if it's harder to see. Number 3. Use pinned comments to drive viewers from a short to additional content. Shorts are similar to TikTok. Viewers watch them quickly, swipe to the next video, and repeat the process as they cycle through the content. It's hard to get people to slow down, but when they do, you should give them something to look at. The comment section is a good place to do this. Because subscribers are harder to gain with shorts, you should make sure each video has a pinned comment. You can highlight additional content, a playlist, a short that serves as a part 2, whatever you like, and encourage people to explore your channel. If people like what they see, they may hit subscribe. The pinned comment is your best tool because shorts don't have info cards or end screens for suggesting content. Even the video description is hidden behind a 2-tap journey. Lastly, number 4. Do some research to make unique music-driven shorts. Music helps videos go viral. That's what's been happening on TikTok and even older platforms like Thriller and the unforgettable sensation that was Vine. Now YouTube wants to create the same on its mobile app. On March 18, the platform unveiled a feature for adding music to shorts. The best part? You won't be penalized for violating copyright rules. As more creators get this tool, you should research which songs are appearing in the certain videos. Then you can add something unique to a trend after seeing what others posted, hopefully making your content stand out. And if you want to gain more subscribers, you should use our product, Tuberank Jeet 4. We use Tuberank Jeet to build multiple channels with millions of subscribers. Video marketing is big, and it's growing bigger and bigger. Stop being in the background and get your #1 rankings plus traffic with Tuberank Jeet 4. It is the easiest way to zoom to the top of YouTube search. Find niches and keywords that you can rank easily for. Know exactly how much traffic you can expect, and discover the perfect title and descriptions, perfect tags and hashtags to put in your video, and 100% free organic traffic from YouTube search and no ads. Keep all your favorite videos, tags, and hashtags for quick use. Even newbies can rank videos with Tuberank Jeet 4. If you want to know more about Tuberank Jeet 4, just go to tubeраnkjeet.com. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.